Hey everybody, this is Jackson Family Escape. So I just wanted to do a quick rundown of this room. This is Riu Cancun, room 619 we were staying in. This is a very, very beautiful room. We did not expect to get this room. I guess they call it a corner suite. And we didn't pay any extra for this, but so we were very surprised when we got this room. And this room is amazing. Got a nice little couch. Nice TV, nice king size bed, a jacuzzi tub, pretty big closet, two bathrobes you can use. We didn't use them, but to each their own. Big part of the room. This view right here. This is beautiful, man. I'd pay any extra for this. If they give you any option, let them know you want one of them corner suites. You won't be disappointed. Can't forget about your alcohol. They got you hooked up here. We did figure out that they do restock every 3 days, so just be aware of that. And I'm out.